Okay, let's go to oracle.com to download Java SE 11 for long-term support. So click download and then go down Java SE 11.0.3 long-term support. Offset license agreement. Then click binary.exe format 150 megabytes. Okay, I will download it to my desktop. You may download Java 11 documentations. Again, this is optional. $49 megabytes. Okay, to install JDK 11, simply double click. Okay, next. Just make sure you try to remember installation directory. It may take a few minutes to install on your hard drive. Close. Now let's look at C drive, program files, Java. Okay, the last one I just installed here, JDK 11.0.3. Okay, make sure you remember that directory. If you can, please copy. And goes to Advanced System Setting, Environment Variables. Click New and variable name Java Home. Variable value installation directory for JDK. Click Pass. Click New. Environment variable called Java Home. Include bin directory. Close it all. I think pretty much that's all. So if you browse through, you can compile Java source code with Java C. You can run Java program with the Java. So you can open command prompt, then Java C dash version. It's going to give you Java compiler version, which is 11.0.3. Okay, this tutorial shows you how to install Apache NetBeans 11.0. So let me go to NetBeans Apache website. Click download. You may download binary format. I may select the first one. Installation is same as previous NetBeans 10. So just unzip it. I may put in the C drive program files because I'm using 64 bits Windows 10. It may take about 10 to 15 minutes to unzip it. Depends on your PC. Okay, next one, set up NetBeans configuration file. Program files NetBeans etc. Open NetBeans config with the text editor. You need to open it as administrator. Okay, browse through NetBeans config file. Okay, go down to line number 76, remove the comments at the beginning, and then copy, paste Java installation directory. Java JDK 11.0.3, copy, paste it. Then you can save and close it. So let me go to NetBeans directory. Then it's called bin binary. I will open 64 bits NetBeans IDE 11. Okay, let me quickly check NetBeans IDE. Help about install with JDK 11.0.3. Personally, I prefer to change the font size on NetBeans editor. So go to Tools and Options. Then go to Fonts and Color. You may change the default font size to be 16. It's readable on screen. And then comments you may prefer to change to magenta rather than gray. It's clear on screen. And let me change one more. Output window. Make sure you have a 16 or 14. Okay, let me upgrade the plugins. Again, it depends. So let me change the settings to be NetBeans distribution and plugin portal. Then make sure whether there is any update. Then you may like to update. Seems like I don't have any update, so it's okay. Okay, NetBeans IDE create project at the beginning. So I select the Java with end, Java application. Then you may say next. So basic idea is NetBeans IDE create a project. There will be one Java application. Then there will be multiple source code, which is part of your program. For now, we keep it as it is. Eventually, I will explain what it is. So as you can see, there are magenta colors. Those are comments. Okay, so we have multiple comments and the project window with a project name called Java application, and then on the source code called Java application 1.java. We also have a name of program And then on the navigator window, this is the output window. This is a text editor. So let me create a very simple program called hello world. System.out.print, and inside double quotation you can put a message called hello world. Then every Java source code you need to compile. Means your source code should be compiled to machine code, what we call as a Java bytecode, so that your machine, which is your PC, should be able to run machine code. Then process it for our instruction, which is number 19 in this case. Just print hello world on your console, which is here output window of NetBeans IDE. Okay, before I close NetBeans IDE, I'll show you where your source code is. So you can check with the files. Java application on the source directory, and then there's what we call as a package, Java application number 1. So you go to your My Documents, your documents, and the NetBeans project. Your project name appears as a Java application 1. Go to source directory, your package name, which is subdirectory, your source code will appear. Again, I will show you side by side. So this is the source code with the notepad. On your left hand side is the source code on NetBeans IDE. Okay, the last one, you may like to have a shortcuts on your desktop. So NetBeans IDE 11.0. I think that's all for this. Thank you.